said that was song. It's not. OMG. Did he leave the game? Bruh, you can't just do that. You have to take ownership for your actions. Oh, here she is. Wait, why is she so...
Pizza!
Oh, that's what's that. I didn't know see this. Okay. Hurry, reach the end. Oh, don't worry. Okay, what is this? Flex that I'm a parkour. Wow. Are you kidding? I wanted the red coin. I'm doing pink. No, I'm not doing pink. I'm gonna do blue. No, I'm doing green. Imagine it's blue. Oh my god. Grilled? How do we know which one's gonna get grilled? Excuse me, that's one. Those two? Yeah, those two. Those ones are getting grilled. They're gonna get grilled. I can get grilled. That would be a shame. Wait, oh, these people are big brains. No, it's not even fun with it. Technically, it's not that hard. Wait. Oh my god, that was so scary. I helped. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Bam. Oh my god, that was the scariest thing in mankind. It's going faster. What? Was the last time? Bruh. Are you kidding me? How? How is... That's so unfair. The jet people are so OP. Find the castle, enter the castle. Hey, y'all can go first, man. Just kidding. Wait. I didn't know that existed in Minecraft. Find a Bloxy Cola? I wonder where the Bloxy Cola is. Oh, maybe there's a Bloxy Cola right there. I am a parkour pro. Huh? There's only so many blocks. Wait, oh, you can't jump. Oh, anyway, that's gonna be it for today. We're just gonna, yeah. Okay.